When I worked at Parallel Scientific as a visual designer and UX designer, we built a cross-platform application called DocsForce to help individuals, small business owners, or big organizations manage and organize documents like bank statements, invoices, receipts, and so on. In the beginning, we worked with a French design and marketing firm called Applidium. Applidium provided the basic visual style like color scheme, typography, pictograms, and a set of use case screen mockups for iOS and Android versions for both smartphones and tablets. I worked closely with the design team to revise the visual design of each task flow based on key use cases. After Applidium delivered their promised package, I worked on application icon and logo design. Here are several sketches I made in Illustrator. While our tech team was building the app based on the visual mockups, I helped making all the detailed UI redesigns and visual design elements like the passcode screen, password meter, and loading refreshing icons in the user experience design process using Photoshop and Illustrator. After several rounds of revision of the application, we decided to rework on the overall UI with flat design approach in order to have the app look more refreshing and trendy. Here are some screens I made during this process. I built icons and started mockups using Illustrator and a prototype tool called Extra to show the basic interactions. I was involved in the web version process as well, building provider web pages and benefit pages for different user groups and so on, applying my knowledge of visual design principles, making sure that each page is consistent in style and layout. I was able to utilize my insights for visual design and HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript skills to help with the basic build of the website with the development team. During the project's development process, we had many different versions for different devices. I helped with user testing on a set of devices. I found bugs and reported to the tech team, also helped fixing some of the bugs by creating additional graphic elements and adjustments for the interface. We built web version, iOS versions for both iPhones and iPads, also Android versions in the end, and the whole project took more than half a year. Collaborative teamwork was essential to the implementation of each step. We had web conference calls 2 to 3 times every week to discuss problems, progress, as the team members are in Russia, Ukraine, China, Europe, and here in the US. We made sure to find a time that would work for us all. We also had work logs and task logs, bug logs throughout the whole process. The app was successfully launched in Apple App Store and Google Play Store, and we were able to get some customers soon after.